everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another squishy tutorial and I'm going to be making this super cute little heart squishy. And this squishy is super fun to make and it's pretty simple. So yeah, if you want to find out how to make this, just keep watching. So here I am just taking this piece of memory foam, and however much you want to use depends on how big you want your squishy to be, and I'm making mine super tiny, so I'm just using a little bit. And now I am just starting to make that little heart shape, so I'm going to make one side come to a point, and then I'm going to round out the other side. So start out almost making a little teardrop shape. So to form the point, really try and make these diagonal cuts until these two lines meet and it becomes a point at the bottom. Now I am just cutting a little notch at the top, and this is gonna be where the two round halves of the heart meet. It's kind of hard to describe, but I hope you guys can visualize what I'm talking about because we've all seen hearts before. So now I am just rounding out both halves of the heart to make that little scalloped edge. And here, since I want my squishy to be really mini and tiny, I am just making it smaller by cutting off the top and the sides. And I'm also making it flat on the top and the bottom. Then I'm also going back and smoothing out the sides of the heart. So I'm just cutting off the edges to make them really nice and flat. Next up, since I have finished making the heart shape, I'm just going to go ahead and use some puffy paint and paint all over. And feel free to make your heart any color that you want, but I'm just making mine pink. And now I'm just adding a second layer of puffy paint. So here is what my squishy looks like after 2 layers of puffy paint. And if your foam doesn't look this smooth or you want it to be even smoother, you can go ahead and put another layer of paint on top. But now for the fun part, you get to draw on a cute little face. So here is what the finished squishy looks like, and I think it turned out super cute and it was a lot of fun to make. And here you can kind of see that there is a lot of air inside the squishy, so I would just recommend poking a little hole, that way the air can come out and it'll be easier to squish. Alright, so that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Anyways, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Kawaii Pillows and check me out on my links down below in the description box. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!